In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Trello with Apple Calendar, so all your due dates and deadlines automatically appear on your Mac. If you use Trello to manage projects, tasks, or client work, syncing it with Apple Calendar is a huge productivity boost because you can see everything in one place without manually copying dates. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step, and by the end of this video, your Trello board will be connected to Apple Calendar and updating automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Then navigate to your Boards page. From here, click on the specific board that you want to sync with Apple Calendar. This is important because the calendar feed is created per board, so you'll need to repeat these steps for any additional boards you want connected. Once you're inside your board, look toward the top menu and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding extra features to your board. When the Power-Ups panel opens, click on Add Power-Ups to browse available options. In the search field, type in Calendar. You'll see the official calendar Power-Up appear in the results. Click on the calendar Power-Up, then click Add to enable it on your board. After it's successfully added, you can close the Power-Ups panel. Now we need to access the calendar settings to generate the sync link. Click on Power-Ups again from your board menu, find the calendar Power-Up in your list of enabled Power-Ups, and click on Settings. Then select Edit Power-Up Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the option that says Sync this Trello board's calendar with your personal calendar. Click on that option. Trello will now generate a unique iCalendar link for this specific board. When the link appears, click on Copy to copy the full URL to your clipboard. This link is what allows Apple Calendar to subscribe to your Trello board and automatically pull in all cards that have due dates. Now switch over to your Mac and open the Apple Calendar app. In the top menu bar, click on File, then select New Calendar Subscription. A small window will appear asking for a calendar URL. Paste the Trello link you just copied into this field, then click Subscribe. Next, you'll see subscription settings, where you can customize the name of the calendar, choose a color, and decide how often it refreshes. If you want near real-time updates, choose a shorter refresh interval. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. And that's it. Your Trello board is now synced with Apple Calendar. Any card in Trello that has a due date will automatically appear inside your Apple Calendar, and updates will sync based on the refresh interval you selected. This makes it much easier to manage deadlines, plan your week, and keep track of projects without switching back and forth between apps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.